Hello, good day. Welcome to our quick product demo for our smart walkie-talkie products. So in this video, I will be giving you a quick overview of our devices and the features that come along with it. So all our devices are rugged, meaning they are waterproof and shockproof, and they also come with their own dedicated PTT button for quick walkie-talkie communication. So the main difference between our smart walkie-talkies and a traditional walkie-talkie like this one is that traditional walkie-talkies operate on radio frequency. That's why they have antennas. Whereas our smart walkie-talkies operate on 4G and Wi-Fi. This means that our range is unlimited. Unlike traditional walkies, they are only limited to maybe 500 meters to a kilometer. Whereas our walkie-talkies range are global. You can be in any country, anywhere, and your users or whoever you PTT can still receive your messages in real time. So let's first begin by showing you the VP Teams device. It's a very handy and easy to hold walkie-talkie, and this is mainly for employees who only need the walkie-talkie function and do not run any other business applications. So for the VP Teams, one feature that we have is quick channel selection. So if I want to talk to, let's say, one user, user 23, I'll give you a demo. Test mic 1, 2, 3. So I got to talk to the middle device, but not the right device. If I want to talk to another device, I can just simply change the user by typing, let's say, number 27. And instantly, when I PTT, test mic 1, 2, 3. The communication I'm talking to is to this guy. So yeah, that's one of the good features about our VP Teams. It also works with the screen off, mind you, so you don't need to turn on the screen in order to communicate or to hear PTT messages from your colleagues. The speaker for the VP Teams is also very loud. I'll give you a quick demo, and I can show you how loud it is. Test mic 1, 2, 3. So it's very loud and it's very useful for employees or users who are working in loud environments. So moving on, our next device is our Samsung Xcover 7. Just like the VP Teams, it has the same walkie-talkie features, but it is a large screen device and it has better specs if ever you need to run any business applications. It runs on Android, and yeah, it also has location tracking features such as this. So when you are in the interface in the app, you can press this button and you will be able to see all the users who are sharing their location, where they are, and you can even download their historical location data. Yeah, so you can see where they went on specific dates. And yeah, Samsung Xcover also is a rugged device. It also has its own PTT button. And a lot of customers that want to use this run their own internal apps such as hotels or logistics businesses. Lastly, our last device is a NOMU device. It is a Zone 1 ISES device. This means it is intrinsically safe and explosion-proof, perfect for employees who work in hazardous environments such as oil and gas and manufacturing and mining. Still the same, it's a rugged device, waterproof, shockproof, dustproof. Still has its own dedicated PTT button for quick communication, and can also run other business apps if needed. So yeah, that's it for our quick video. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.